First week of the murder trial for the man accused of shooting and killing a U of A professor has wrapped up. Throughout this week, the jury heard from the state's witnesses, including U of A staff members who were in the building when Dr. Thomas Meixner was shot, along with law enforcement officers who worked on the case. News 4 Tucson's Megan Spector was in the courtroom this week. She joins us now live from Superior Court downtown with the latest on what happened in court today. Megan.
Well, the day ended with the defense giving their opening statements. Their statements that they decided to defer on the first day of this trial until the prosecution could make their way through their witness list. But today, with those opening statements, the defense made it clear to the jury exactly what they could expect going into week 2.
I'm just going to lay it out. So, Mr. Dervish is guilty except insane to second-degree murder. This is the defense position.
The defense says moving forward with their witnesses, the idea is to demonstrate to the jury that Dervish suffers from a mental disease or defect. They said that come next week, the jury will hear from Dervish's mother, a U of A professor, and psychologists who, according to the defense, both determined Dervish was insane at the time of the incident. However, the defense is also asking the jury to consider not just the crime, but the actual charge. Dervish is charged with first-degree murder, which requires premeditation. The defense will be arguing this murder was not premeditated, something the prosecution strongly disagrees with.
What I'm focused on right now is premeditation. There's a lack of evidence right now of premeditation. We're going to present witnesses that are going to secure that there's a lack of premeditation.
As to premeditation, much of the same evidence applies there as well. The fact that he went to campus, the fact that he's he's sending an email 4.5 months ahead of time saying, I hope somebody blows your head off. And then he just happens to make good on that threat.
Court resumes on Tuesday at 10:15 a.m. and when it does, we'll be right back in the courtroom as well. Live from downtown, Megan Spector, News 4 Tucson.
Coming up on News 4 Tucson at 5, a university